So another problem we have now is that all these planets are going by the same rotation. So one that's in here is by default going to be going a lot slower than the one that's out here, because all of their rotation points are in the center. Or at least it'll appear it's rotating a lot faster because it's so far away. So we want to slow the planets down, so as you get further out each time, the planet is going to have a slower orbit speed range. So let's change that now. So how we're going to do this is we're going to take a percentage of how far out you are and just use that. So let's first create, so we want another factor based on how far you are. So we'll do planets, let's call that the orbit factor, orbit speed factor. And we'll set that to 10 for now. So that's going to be kind of like our overall speed. So these orbit ranges are going to be more of a ratio, so how fast or how slow it can go. And then this one's going to control the overall speed. So we'll go down here now. Okay, so we have our current spacing. So we want to divide the current spacing by the max spacing. And then we want to multiply those speeds. So let's do a float. We'll call this a function. Yeah. So we're going to divide that current spacing divided by the max spacing. And then we're going to multiply that by our overall speed. Our orbit speed factor. And then down here, we're going to multiply these by the fraction. So that should normalize that rotation problem a little bit. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, so you can see now even the outer planets, they're going a lot slower. So they're all kind of uniform. We don't have any of those crazy outliers that are just zipping around. And that'll make the game a bit more stable when you're trying to get something through to the center. That should be good.